Today we will discuss difference between the fixed frame rotation and body frame rotation. Whenever the initially the body origin is not coinciding with the fixed frame. See here, this is fixed frame and this is body frame initially. Suppose it is at, this one is 1 unit, this one is 2 unit. So body's origin is at 0, -2, 0 with respect to fixed frame. 1, 2. This is positive y, so this is negative y. But how can we achieve this orientation? This is x-axis, this is y, and this is z. So this frame is coinciding with the fixed frame. If we rotate ry 90, z to x, see this way, z to x, this way. So ry 90. And then after, about z 180, x to 180, this way, this way. We achieve this frame. See, green, consider the pink one is a red one, and this one blue is y. So this one for orientation matrix, rotation matrix for RSB is ry 90 into rz 180. ry 90 is well defined, rz 180 is also well defined. If you multiply these two, we get this one 0, 0, 1, 0, -1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is the orientation of the body frame with respect to space frame. So transformation matrix is RSB P 0, 1. P is the origin of the body frame, which is at 1, 2. This is positive y, so 0, -2, 0. Now in this situation, we are applying two types of rotation. One is fixed frame rotation and other is body frame rotation. Now initially we are considering fixed frame rotation. Our rotation omega cap theta. Theta is 90. About ZS cap, fixed frame rotation. And origin is body frame origin up to 0, 2, 0. But initially, if you rotate this body around ZS cap up to 90, so we have to rotate circular, considering the radius 2 unit about ZS cap. So after rotation, it will attain this position. Now x coordinate becomes 2, y and z are 0. So here in this rotation, displacement also occurs because of fixed frame rotation, and then after we are displacing in y direction up to 2 unit because of rotation omega cap theta p 0, 2, 0. Fixed frame, this is y axis. So we are rotating further to, we are displacing further 2 unit in fixed frame y axis, in the direction of fixed frame y axis up to 2 unit, this way. So final orientation and position of the body frame is this way. This is 2, y coordinate 2, and this one is x coordinate is also 2, and it is in this plane, so z coordinate 0. So body's origin at 2, 2, 0, which confirms with our theory. Okay. Now we will discuss about body frame rotation for the same case, for the same body orientation initial and fixed frame. See, body is this way, orientation this way, x-axis, y and z. It is also at 1, 2, so 0, -2, 0. This is fixed frame. Now we are displacing, we want displacement 0, 2, 0 according to body frame. So body's y-axis this, so we are displacing up to 2 unit further in the direction of positive y, body's y-axis. So here this is -2, then after we are displacing this way, so it becomes -4. Now we are applying rotation omega cap theta about body's z-axis, not fixed frame axis. So orientation becomes this way. So x is this way Y downward and Z towards you, towards the camera. So this is the final orientation, and the body frame origin is at 0, -4, 0. This is our practical geometrical representation, and this matches with the theory. See, RSB, this body frame, we can achieve by one of the way. There are so many ways, but body's orientation, this, see, this orientation with respect to this is RY 90 into RZ 180. We have discussed initially in the video. So we multiply this. This is the orientation of the rotation matrix for body frame initially. And P is what? So P is the origin of this body frame, which is at -2, 0, -2, 0. So this is TSB. And this one is rotation matrix. If you rotate about Z axis, in first case about ZS cap, and in second case about ZB cap, and displacement 0, 2, 0. So this is T. So for fixed frame rotation, we multiply. This is initially first one, and then after second one. So fixed frame rotation, last come first, reverse order. So T into TSB, fixed frame rotation. So we get this one. If you multiply T this and TSB this, you can check yourself. We get this matrix. This is the center of the body frame after rotation 2, 2, 0. We have geometrically explained. And body frame rotation, TSB, this one, into T, this one. I have written directly final result. So we get this one. And the body's origin is at 0, -4, 0 for body frame rotation. So it confirms actual our geometrical representation. Thank you. Sorry, I have written wrongly this entry. This should be 1, not 0. So correct it. The last entry should be 1. Thank you.